We're going to try something real quick. Are you guys gamblers? Do you like to gamble?
She like to gamble.
You like to gamble? You do, don't lie. Are you winning? Ah, come on. You're supposed to. Yes, yes.
Yeah. We always win.
I like
That's
it.
right.
All right. So if I were to bring out a deck of cards, you guys have seen magicians before. If they bring out a deck of cards, what does that mean they're going to have you pick?
I have to pick a card.
A card, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty typical. Tonight we're going to switch things up. Instead of you picking a card, I'm actually going to have you pick a color. Any color that you want. I want you to name that color out loud. Totally up to you. Name any color. Green. Green. You got a green jacket on. Maybe she was influenced by you. I don't know. Are we all good with green? All right. So we have a card that is picked. Now, we had the color picked. Now it's time to have the card picked. Now, it's important to note that all the cards are different. They're all different. Just like you guys are from all different parts of now the world, right? Panama, Ohio. Where are you guys from? California. Welcome. Welcome. So if you would, my friend, take out a card. Any card that you want. You can show your friends, show the camera. I'll look away. Show everybody.
Okay. Maybe film.
Well, he else.
I got it.
Got it? Thank you. All right.
Okay.
If you would just place the card back in the deck. I'm not going to do anything funny. That is later. It's later. Now, you named any color that you wanted. You picked any card that you wanted.
Yeah.
What if we could join those two things together? Let's see. We're gonna look at this together. Watch closely as we go through the deck.
Yes, I do.
Now remember, you could have named any color. Any color. Any color. But you have to remember, there are no other colors in the deck even. Just the one, other than red. But you picked any card that you wanted. You picked any color that you wanted. What are the odds that color is your card? The 7 of clubs. Even the green jacket guy's like, he likes that. All right. Now, do me a favor, my friend. Hold out your hand. I'm going to have you pick a card as well. So we're going to get rid of the 7 of clubs. Place your thumb on top of it for me. Yeah, thank you. Doesn't blow away, you know?
Okay.
And I'm going to go through the cards now, and I want you to say the word stop whenever you want. Say the word stop.
Stop.
Right there? You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Got it? I'll show you, my friend. You, my friend?
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Same deal. We're going to try to change the card into your color. Green.
Start looking so.
I don't see it happening yet, do you? I don't see it. Green guy, I don't see it happening, do you? Huh? Do you know what? There has been one green card that did appear out of nowhere. Problem is, it's over here in his hand. What was the card that you picked? 9 of clubs. The puppy dog foot, right? Check it out. Have a look.
Turn it. Okay. Oh.
9 of clubs. There we go.
What do you do? I am the magician. Not him.
It's all you, man.
Yeah, it's all of me.